Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Here at the junkyard, checking out this 850 glass. This is the only spot I can see on there, and it does have a crack, so I'm probably going to leave that one alone. Those cracks like to grow. So let me check out these other 850s, see what else is going on out here new. I meant to bring my glass cutting tools to pull the glass, but I couldn't find the main tool in the car. So I got to go find that and head back to the house, have lunch, and then go and take care of some other stuff. Oh, dang it, I'm supposed to get something for Dan. Let me check my text message from Dan. Look like they took the relay out of this one Dan wanted. So, I guess I'm gonna have to get it from the other one. Went back out, got some tools. Man, I came out here with no tools. So I had to check this one 850, see if they broke the windshield, which I think they did. Remember that green turbo that was beat all up? Then I could check that other 850 and see if that windshield's cracked. Then I had to get this part for Dan the man for his 240 bill on that Group A car. Let me check this one first. Sad to say, my mom's younger sister passed away, so I may be taking a quick road trip and pay my respects to my cousins. She lived down the street from me when I was a child, helped raise me and all that stuff. We visited her a couple times. She's the only one that was still threatening to knock a knot on my head. So I do want to go pay my respects to the family in a safe way, as safe as possible. This windshield actually looks okay. I don't see any cracks, barely see any dings. I don't see what brand windshield it was. Somebody put a tent band up top, but I think this is going to be a good one to pull. F-U-Y-A-O, Fuyo. So, probably come back for that. I'd have to say somebody took out that window. We'll just press on. See if I can get something out of here. Relays are missing behind here too, but maybe that's the relay socket. Here with this 240, I popped this cover off. And there's a dang clock behind it. I wonder if the owners ever knew that. Anyway, let me take these two panels off, see if what I need is behind there. This relay Dan wants was clipped down there, really accessible from the glove box. But it has a ground linked right there, so I'm going to pull that ground, pull as much of this harness up, and cut it off, and take this relay, ship it to Dan. Looks like that yellow wire plugged into the back of the speedometer, and this blue one is running over the other side. I don't know where that one goes, but I'm gonna try to see it before I unplug it. So let's get that loose. Blue wire looks like it's plugged into this fuse box right here, post 11. So I'm gonna unplug that, see if I can fish it up and out of the dash. Back here with the white horse with the silver lining. I'm gonna put a seal across the firewall. This seal here stops smoke and fluid from coming up over the windshield. It seals along the bottom of the hood. I put that in place. I'm gonna rivet the skirt in and the mud flaps if I can find my rivets. I straightened out the armrest And I'm going to straighten out my toolbox. That's been a mess for a while. Got a couple new tools I need to slice in there. Get this stuff organized, sew this together. Then I got to strip parts off of the donor car. Parts that I wouldn't need. And I found them, so I'm going to put these in. These are the best ones to use. They cut out easier than the other ones, and they're plastic coated. They hold really well. So let me go ahead and put those rivets in. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.